Good morning, children. Sairam, how are you all? Okay, very good. I hope you all enjoyed your Diwali festival. Is it? So, last week we have started the chapter number 14, that is Delhi, you know. So we will continue the chapter, that is, we will revise the chapter one more time and we will continue the second part. Okay, shall we start our today's session? Are you all ready? Very good. So, Delhi. Do you want to see the Delhi pictures? Here you go. Very beautiful city, is it? Okay, we'll learn the full history and the importance and everything about the Delhi city. Okay, so from this lesson, as I told you, we are going to learn about the city of Delhi, the capital of India. So, which city is the capital of India? The city of Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. Likewise, capital of Tamil Nadu is which city? Chennai. Okay. So the capital of India is which city? Delhi. And next thing, we are going to learn about the history and the government of Delhi. Third thing, its tourist attraction and its climate. The clothes worn by the people here and the festivals celebrated. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn all these things. Okay, children? We will start our session with the where Delhi is located. You can see the red dot near the Delhi text, is it? So this is the correct view of Delhi city. So we will go to the next slide and we will start the session. Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory. As I said, Delhi is the capital of India, and now we can see Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory. National Capital Territory. It is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east. As you have seen in the map, it is covered with Uttar Pradesh in the east side. You can see here Uttar Pradesh, right? So this is east side. It is bordered with Uttar Pradesh in the east, and the other side it is bordered with Haryana. It is covered with Haryana. So you can see that one, right? So it is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on the other three sides. It is situated in the banks of the river Yamuna. It is situated in the banks of the river Yamuna. And one more thing, children, Delhi has two parts. One is New Delhi and the other is Old Delhi. So first point, we are going to see what is it? Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory. Three sides. The third one, it is situated in the banks of the river Yamuna. Fourth point is it has two parts, that is, one is New Delhi and the other one is Old Delhi. So now we are going to see about the history of Delhi. Even every city has its own history, as we all know, is it? So now we are going to see about the History of Delhi. The first thing is the city of Delhi is more than 1,000 years old. Do you imagine the 1,000 years old city? So the first thing is what? The city of Delhi is more than 1,000 years old. So it's very precious, is it? So second thing is, in fact, it is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It is one of the oldest living cities in the world. The third thing, it served as the capital of several powerful empires. Several powerful empires. So Delhi has been a capital of several powerful empires. So we are going to see who are they. Number one, the Delhi Sultans. The Delhi Sultans. Second one, the Tughlaqs. The Tughlaqs. Third one is the great Mughal emperors. So the first empire is Delhi Sultans, the Tughlaqs, and the last one is great Mughals who ruled from there. Okay, we will revise one more time the history of Delhi. The first thing is the city of Delhi is more than 1,000 years old. It is one of the oldest living cities in the world. The second thing. The third thing is it served as a capital of several powerful empires. The fourth thing, the empires what all means the Delhi Sultans, the Tughlaqs, and the great Mughals ruled from here. And one more thing, Emperor Shah Jahan, who was one of the great Mughal emperor, right? So Emperor Shah Jahan built his capital in Delhi, which was called as Shahjahanabad. Emperor Shah Jahan built his capital in Delhi, and it is called as Shahjahanabad. This part of Delhi is now called as Old Delhi. So which city was built by Shah Jahan is now called as Old Delhi. New Delhi was built by the British people when they shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi. So New Delhi was built by the British people initially they have the capital as in Kolkata, is it? So when they shifted their capital from Kolkata to Delhi, they have built the New Delhi. Okay, so New Delhi was planned by the architect called Edwin Lutyens. New Delhi was planned by an British architect who is called as Edwin Lutyens. So the next thing we are going to see about the topic Governments of India and Delhi. The Government of India and Delhi. So first thing is all the main government offices of the Government of India are located in New Delhi. For example, we can see the Chief Election Commission office. It is located in New Delhi only, So the next thing, the President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. It has one of the most beautiful gardens. It has one of the most beautiful gardens called the Mughal Gardens. So the third thing is most important now. One of the most beautiful gardens in Rashtrapati Bhavan is called as Mughal Gardens. So you can see the Rashtrapati Bhavan picture here. So this is Rashtrapati Bhavan, and one more view of Rashtrapati Bhavan here, and here you can see the Mughal garden. And one more thing, the Prime Minister's office is in the South Block. So the Prime Minister's office, that is Prime Minister of India, who is having his office in the South Block. Other departments of the Indian government work from the buildings around the South Block. So other departments of Indian government, so we are having so many departments in our government, right? So those departments are working from the building around the South Block. Here one more picture you can see. This is the Parliament of India. You can see the picture of Parliament of India. So in Parliament House, we can see the sessions of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. The sessions of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are held in the Parliament House. Second thing, the government of other countries have offices in Delhi. They are known as High Commissions and Embassies. As you all know, Russia, America, Australia and all the other countries, they are having their offices, High Commissions and Embassies here in Delhi. The next thing, in 1991, the Union Territory of Delhi came to be known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi. The Union Territory of Delhi came to known as National Capital Territory of Delhi in the year 1991. Which year? 1991. And the next thing, it now has a legislative assembly. As we all are having legislative assembly in every state, every state. So Delhi also has its own legislative assembly like the other states of India, which is headed by a chief minister. And we are going to start our new topic here, tourist attraction. Tourist attraction. So a tourist place, we all are very fond of visiting tourist place in every city, right? So even Delhi also having so many tourist spots. So the first point is, tourists from all over the world visit Delhi. So tourists from all over the world, in every city, from each and every city, tourists came to visit Delhi city. Okay, it has many ancient monuments. Red sandstone. Here you can see the Red Fort. Red Fort, and this is Jama Masjid. These two buildings are made of red sandstone, and it was built by the great Emperor Shah Jahan. So what is it? The first picture is Red Fort and the second picture is Jama Masjid. Just built from red sandstone, and it was built by the great Emperor Shah Jahan. And one more tourist spot is the Qutb Minar, the great Qutb Minar, a majestic tower which was built by the Emperor Qutbuddin Aibak. The great Qutbuddin Aibak built a majestic tower which is named as Qutb Minar. And one more, some more tourist places, it is Jantar Mantar, Lodi Garden, India Gate, Humayun's Tomb, Nehru Planetarium, Dolls Museum, National Zoological Park. Apu Ghar, Rajghat and Shantivan the other interesting places to visit in Delhi. So these are most important and interesting places to visit in Delhi. So children, don't forget to visit all these things when you go to Delhi. Okay. So Red Fort, Jama Masjid we have seen in the picture, right? So this is Red Fort and this is Jama Masjid. So next one, you can see the picture of Qutb Minar. Qutb Minar, which is built by the India Gate. People pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi at his Samadhi in Rajghat. So Mahatma Gandhi ji has its Samadhi. People have a homage. They send. They will go and pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi ji at his Samadhi in Rajghat. And second one, Shantivan is the Samadhi of our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Samadhi is where? So, it is in Shantivan. Okay. The next thing, the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate burns all the time in memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our country. So I can show you the picture of Amar Jawan Jyoti. Here you can see Amar Jawan Jyoti, which burns all the time in the memory of the soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our country. So when you go to Delhi, don't forget to visit this place. Okay. And one more thing, places of worship. So many places of worship for people who belongs to all regions in Delhi. So some places are here. Some of them are Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, Birla Mandir, which is located in Delhi. So first one is Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, Birla Mandir, Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple and St. James Church. So here you can see Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid as we have seen the picture before, and one more thing, Birla Mandir. This is Birla Mandir. This is Akshardham Temple, Lotus Temple, St. James Church. So these are the places of worship we can see in Delhi. These are some places of worship that we can see in Delhi. So children, in this session we have seen the history of Delhi, government of Delhi and everything, right? Places of worship, tourist attraction, all these things we have seen in this session. So go through this lesson and we will meet with the continuation of this chapter in the next session. Thank you.